What in the creepy?
I left all y'all doors
What in the Mr. Beast?
Hey, stop.
Mr. Beast game's looking on. Now he's scared.
Ooh, hey,
I'm gonna open this.
hey, say we have your windows down too.
No, mommy. Simon, he's not even scared. What are you? Simon. My cat's can't move. Hold it up. I'm gonna stand up there. Look, that kid can stand up there.
Nice to meet you.
Wash my hands?
Hi.
You sure?
Happy Halloween.
Look at it. Why are they looking at us? Is that a gun in his hand? How am I not reading?
Don't lean on this, Bear. You keep leaning on it.
Until we go through, baby. Until we get through there. We want this thing spooky. You dig? Babe, watch out your lane, babe. I see somebody in your lane up there coming up ahead.
Roll down your window. What are you talking
I ain't rolling my window down. I don't want to have an accident. Somebody grab my neck.
She said her neck. That's crazy. Babe, what if it looked like from the glass?
Oh no.
They really grabbed your neck like, oh.
No. Maya, get in your seat.
No.
Maya, get in your seat.
No.
Get in your seat.
Girl, please.
Get in your seat.
No.
He's out here.
Welcome to Wasteland.
He's about to go get my sit in your seat so he can grab you out the car. He's about to get Maya. He's about to get Miss Gigi.
That's just cost.
Ooh, he opened the car to get them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Get there.
Mommy, lock your door.
No, you want them to have fun.
Maya, relax. It's fun. When they come,
Maya.
hey, when they come, tell them, give me my money.
Let's say that.
To them, when they come in, your face. I'm gonna say it to them.
Come get Maya.
Come on.
Get Maya.
Come here. And I'm gonna open my door too. I'm gonna open my door. Who dares me to open my door?
Me.
Alright.
Ooh, is that Frank Cougar in the middle? What's that?
I don't know who that is.
That's Frank. Oh my.
Come on.
Oh my.
Come on, Chin.
Come on, the man.
Ooh, he put his whole hand in the grabber. Get in your seat. I want them to get you. Mike, get in your seat now.
I dare you.
Be careful what you ask for.
Get in your seat so they can pick you up. Oh, she got all the way in the car.
here. Come here.
Yeah, exactly. Run. Yeah, walk away. Stop. Hi. Who's queso son?
You okay, so side?
Sit in your seat.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at her. Look at her. Yeah. Yeah. Give me my money. Give me my money. I opened the door. It was me. I opened the door. It was me. I opened the door. Oh, look at Maya. Maya, help me, Maya. Help me. Maya, help me. Help me. Yeah. I'm not. How you like that in your face? Yeah. How you like that? How you like them apples? If you smell. Oh, look at him. Oh, no. Look at him.
Oh, he got his hand. He got
Here, watch
some
your back. Watch your
lady's
back. Watch your back.
hand. He got
Oh.
some lady's hand.
Nice hat.
Nice hat, Buster. But you can't get me with that nice hat. He has one sauce.
Ooh, he
Bear,
got a
watch your
lady's-
back. Watch our back. Watch our
he got
back,
a
Bear.
lady's hand off.
Watch our backs, guys. Watch our backs.
Yeah, exactly. What is this? Zombie apocalypse? Yee, you're not scary? Yeah, you're not scary? In your dreams? You ain't scary? Then what you gonna do? Who you think you
Wait,
are?
can I pass him up or?
You do
Am I
you?
waiting for him? Am I waiting for
Oh, look at him. Who is that?
Am I waiting
Hey,
for
dude.
him
Hey,
or?
hey, somebody. Watch your side. Somebody's on your side. Why you?
What's up?
Over there, up there. Up there.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Down.
Sup?
What's up?
Nice sword. Or
What's
knife.
up, Oscar?
What is that? A blade?
We like World War II, Oscar.
They call you Blade?
We talk about Mesopotamian. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Nice blade.
Yeah, I know you go. Run. Run.
Hey, listen, you guys always getting. Hey, watch your back. Watch your back.
Hey, Daddy, watch Boris. I want that.
Look at big head. Look at him over here, old big head.
So, biscuit headed.
Look, there's a big head on my mommy's side.
let's head it.
His head's too big. Watch mommy's side.
What is this poisonous hazard?
Oh no!
Oh, look at that big knife.
Did you eat it?
Ooh.
Hazard.
Leave my kids alone. Leave my family alone. Leave my family alone.
No.
Nice nice nose. Nice nose.
Get on daddy.
Babe, watch your side. Watch your side. Watch your side, babe. Watch your side.
Merry Christmas. Oh, wait, what?
Thank you. Thank you. A smile. Yo, smile.
Loopy.
Look at him over here. Yo, big head. Yo, big head.
Egg-headed.
Uh-oh.
No.
It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. How you doing? How you doing? Hey, get the one in the middle. Yo, big head ass.
Double chin. Double chin.
You can have her.
Hey, nice hair. I love your hair.
Okay, now can you go back? Why get on daddy, not me?
Oh no, he's still here.
Okay, go.
Yo, Ronald McDonald has.
Yeah.
This is so dangerous with her coming in my lap. I'm driving.
How's that? Pull something up even better. Yee.
Yeah.
Hey, what happens if you start opening the trunk?
I know you like talking.
Let's go, Tracy, drop me.
That's why you're hiding in the trunk.
Low 6'7". I'm never hiding in the trunk.
Wait, what do I do in here?
Oh no, black eyes.
something called defense.
Babe, watch your back, babe. Watch your back, babe.
Hi.
No.
Hi.
No.
Hello.
No.
What is that? What is that?
It was me. It was me. I opened it. I was me. I opened it. Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Leave her alone. Leave my wife alone. Leave my wife alone. Pee. It was me that keeps unlocking the door. It's me. I'm the one who's unlocking the door. It's me.
Do that.
I'm unlocking the
Don't do
door.
that.
Ooh.
Oh, don't do that.
I love it. Uh-oh. Ooh, who's
In
this?
their car.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, whoa.
Oh, it's one car at a time now.
Hey, I'm chilling.
Wait, be brave. Be brave.
Maya.
Got you.
See,
Yeah.
Maya, man.
The system has.
Hey, nice suit. Look at me.
Hey, Bear Bear. Hey, little teddy bear. Can I keep you, teddy bear?
Oh, I'm just the bill.
I can't
And I'm
keep
just the bill.
Hey.
Nice suit.
Hey.
Where'd you get a suit from?
Walmart?
Macy's?
PSI?
Hey, oh, you, oh, come on. It was me. It was me. Yeah. I'm out here. What's up? Hey, tell me what to go. Hey. Since I see you over here dancing, come on. Since I see you over here. Since I see you over here dancing, I'm with you, baby. I'm with you. You thought I've been doing this. I ain't new to this. I ain't new to this. Hey, happy Halloween. Be safe. Dance like you the Migos video. Oh, look at him. What's up? Yo, what's up? I ain't scared of you.
Look at that man.
I ain't scared of you. Joe biscuit head. You a biscuit head? Biscuit head. What's up? I'm in your face too. What's up? Hey, I like it. I love it. Hey, one more. Watch out. Be careful. Look at him. I'm on you. Stop.
Wait.
Hey.
Open the door.
No. You can't get in. He trying to get in so bad. Nah, we ain't doing it.
Hi guys, this is my costume for Halloween. I was gonna be a cheerleader, but it didn't come on time. So my mom just invented this, and this is what I'm wearing. A bride. It's Halloween. Happy Halloween. Bye.
In trouble.
His t-shirt. Total. Yeah.
But hi.
Hi guys.
How was your day?
Veil
How was your
up all
day?
day?
Yeah, how was your day? It was hot.
Put your veil down at all?
When it was so white, but when I took it off, it was red.
How was your day?
Great. I'm having so much fun.
So people knew you was a bride though.
No, some thought I was a princess.
A princess?
Well, you are.
Her hair cute. Look at it.
I'm a princess, but I'm a bride.
You see me, and mommy? We're
I was
parents.
like, who's that? And when I look closely, it's little
Oh, you got your mommy and daddy?
Hi guys, look at my candy.